I set a filter that description equal to security underscore workshop. I say account lab account data. I say okay. So everybody, all the account unit users are the scope. In that particular scope, whoever has the description like security workshop, they are permitted to access the HTTP services. It is not permitted. User authentication is given. You have to give the correct credentials, only then it's possible. I say install the policy. Now except Aditya, everyone has the security belong to the security workshop group. So Aditya should not be able to access, all the other people should be able. I say close. I go to 10.10 system and I use the browser there, and in the browser I say simply I want to access 30.0.0.10, say enter, and I'm Radhika ASDF. Since Radhika has the description as security workshop, she is a member in that, she should be able to access. She's able to access. I come here, I delete this, close this. I say I wanted to access 30.0.0.10, say enter, and this time I say it is Tom and ASDF. Tom is also able to access because he is also, the description is there for him. But will Aditya be able to access 30.0.0.10, say enter. I say Aditya ASDF. Okay, he should not be, he is not able to access because he does not belong, he does not come under the filter. You can have the filters so powerful, and if you explore the possibility as to how to create the Active Directory users in computers, and how to create the, I mean various how to set the various parameters here, then it will be very easy for you. It will be a fantastic tool. Now let me see whether Jerry will be able to go. ASDF, I say okay, Jerry is also able to go. This is what precisely about LDAP account unit, how to integrate the we created the ADS, we created the users in the LDAP. The LDAP users need not be created again in the checkpoint firewall. It is not only LDAP, I mean the ADS, Active Directory Service, Takak server, Radius server, any server, wherever you create the users can be integrated into the firewall. So we have seen the configuration of LDAP integration in this, and if you want to if you delete someone, say for example Jerry, you can delete from here, or if you delete here, he will not be able to. But if at all you go to the Active Directory here and say you delete Radhika, right click and delete Radhika. Okay, Radhika is not there. If you go to the firewall and say users, double click on this, Radhika will not be there. Radhika will not be there. Though Radhika has the I mean she is not there, but if you, even if you block it, if it's not there, if you go to 10.10 and access 30.10, say 30.0.0.10, say enter. I say I'm Radhika ASDF is, sorry, we have to install the policy on the firewall. Say install the policy on the firewall.